Hey, people. Hope you're staying safe, staying healthy, right? I've got a beautiful unboxing here, courtesy of my fan from Dr Martens. I think this is a world premiere, so I'm very stoked and very privileged to be sharing what I'm about to showcase. But to recap, the reason why. Dr Martens are celebrating their 60th anniversary this year. 60 years of permeating through how many different levels and little pockets and tribes of subcultures throughout the world. One of the most revered silhouettes is the 1460 boot, and they've been celebrating this by partnering up with different brands. We've seen some beautiful iterations already from Bathing Ape, from Undercover, from Marc Jacobs, from A Cold Wall, and so many others. But this one here is the latest one, and this is with Medicom, hence the Bearbricks. And each one of these celebrates a different decade. This one here is the original. This is the Scar, right? And I'm going to pop this open right now, and hopefully I'm going to do this in one take because the packaging is, should we say, very delicate, and I want to make sure I do due justice to this bad boy and make sure that, you know, we get to see everything in its proper entirety. So this one here celebrates the Scar movement. So yeah, let's get into this and see if we can pop it open. It's been a while since I opened a Bearbrick box, I have to say. But yeah. Right, here we go. Pop this out. Oh yeah. Let's get involved. Rip that. Here we go. So that one there is the first one. So that is the Scar. And then, celebrating the 70s, it's the punk movement that gets the props. The punk movement, you know, when you see so many iconic images of the punk movement, you know, this is why Dr Martens, again, so they've gone from Scar to punk. Oh, this Bearbricks is so dope. Check it out. Look at that. Yeah, the detail that Medicom go in on their Bearbricks is absolutely incredible. No wonder there's so many collectors just on that subculture alone. But it makes sense. It really does make sense. And this one here that I'm about to show you represents the 80s, represents the goth movement. And they adopted the 1460 boot as well. Right. Most fiddly things, these bad boys. But anyway, let's get in. Oh, this one's wicked. This one's see-through. Look at that. I love it. All right. And then we have the next movement. And this is the grunge movement. You know, for those who are unfamiliar, come on. We're talking about Nirvana, we're talking about Tad, we're talking about Mudhoney. You know, we're talking about Soundgarden, Pearl Jam, those groups. Seattle standing up and being recognized for producing some of the most profound and beautiful music we have ever heard. And it's only right that the grunge movement, which adopted the 1460 boot so well, gets recognized. Check it out. Yo, Kurt Cobain, Dave Grohl, all the man thems, that's for you. And then move on to the kawaii movement, which was all about the noughties. And just showing you another aspect of the reverence that's shown for Dr Martens, seriously. It's one of those things that you just take for granted. You see the docs around and that. But the thing is, hailing from Nottingham, the home of the most exquisite footwear, craftsmanship levels there have to be at maximum. It's incredible to see how this British brand has permeated through the world. So that's for the kawaii. And look at that. I mean, just the representation through just these 5 decades. And then we go to this one here. And this one here is for the now. This is for the hipsters out there. And the hipsters adopting the 1460 as well. And, you know, it's just It's crazy, it really is. Oh, this one's a mad one, because this has got a velvet head. One for the hipsters. Bearded and bespectacled. Boom. So right, so here we have the Bearbricks, which are going to be available with the boots that drop on Halloween. Right, let's move all this stuff out the way. Let's put the Bearbricks to the side. Now, let's get to the boots. Now, I've got to say, I've seen some boots and I've seen some collaborations, some executions in my time. But these ones, yo, they are absolutely incredible. Featuring a debossed leather upper. Just soak that in. Now, the debossed leather features the Bearbricks within the pattern. The entire pattern is made up of Bearbricks from different angles. You've got the Medicom logo there. You've got the red laces. But the detailing is absolutely phenomenal. The iconic airwear sole, which is why these boots are one of the most comfortable things you can wear on your feet. Just check that out. Absolutely sensational. These are going to be available in limited numbers. Only 1,460 pairs worldwide. Optional laces. And then we have the other foot. And the reason why I'm going to show you the other foot is because these ones have blue laces. I have to say, these are one of them items of footwear that you're going to see people rocking, if you're lucky, from a mile off. And you're going to be, you know, some people are going to be going up close and going, what is going on there? The texture is absolutely phenomenal. You've got the Medicom logo, Dubray, right there as well. But these are a hard body look, pay due reverence to the legacy of this boot. And yo, as I said, they're going to be available this weekend on Halloween. Good luck copping, people. One love and peace.